Hello everyone, this is part 15 ASP.NET series lectures. In this session we learn how we can retrieve standard time and date on DL servers. So according to UTC, Coordination Universal Time, we'll use the UTC for the .NET framework. Open the Visual Studio. So I have done this for demo. In browser. So you can see here a uae date and time. The first label is with date and the second label is with time, 15 June 2024, and uae time is 21 past 3. USA date and time 15 June and the time is 21 past 7 for the morning. India is 51 past 4 or 9 to 4, and Pakistani date time is 15 June is date and time is 21 past 4. So we'll do that in the Visual Studio. Create a new page. Add a new page. DL server time give the heading universal time on DL servers. Style equal extra line colon center. Use another div. Create a table, 2 rows and 2 columns. uae current date, uae current time. So we'll expand the table. So USA current date, USA current time. Pakistan current date, Pakistan current time. India current date and India current time. We'll add some labels. From the toolbox, add the label. Empty the text property of the label. Copy paste the label. So we'll design this page according to different real servers times, according to UTC, Coordinate Universal Time. So these times will be displayed in the labels from the page load event. So open the code view window. So that's the page load event. As soon as the page will be open, automatically time will be displayed from the real servers. Okay, so we'll give here date time, create a variable, any variable we can create. Suppose that I will create here date 1, so equal DateTime.UtcNow, DateTime.UtcNow. From this UTC, we'll extract the date and time both. After that, we'll give the information of the zone, time zone, TimeZoneInfo, TimeZoneInfo, create a variable. So we'll give the variable name here, time z zone, and the first country we have selected is UAE. Time zone equal TimeZoneInfo, TimeZoneInfo.FindSystemTime zone by ID. So we'll give the ID, we'll pass the parameters here. We are going to pass the parameter here, Arabian Standard Time. Arabian Standard Time. Arabian Standard Time. Okay. So now we'll extract the date and time from this Arabian zone to the label. So we will give here date time, again date time we want to make it for UE equal TimeZoneInfo dot convert time to date and zone. We will call this variable here, this variable as a date 1, and this variable will extract from the time. TZUE. So now this is the time and this is the date from the UTC we have extracted. Now we will call into the label. Label 1 dot text equal, first of all we will call this information, because in this variable both are there, the date and time. So we'll extract from this variable both date and time. So we'll call this variable label 1 dot text equal uae dot, now we'll do the formatting, dot ToString. So in this variable we are going to extract the date. Give the date format dd slash 4 times slash 4 times YY. So the first label is completed. We can view in a browser. You can see the date is extracted. Now we'll extract the time. In the second label, label to dot text equal, again call the same variable dot ToString. Now do the formatting for the time. So we can give here hour, and then we can give the minutes and second, colon, minute, then space, TT. View in browser again. The time is 32 past 3, nearly half past 3. So it's the PM time. Or we can extract for all other countries. We'll save the time. Now we'll do with for the USA. For the USA, we can give the Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. And we can give here USA. You can also change this variable to USA. So this variable. Now copy paste, and we can call the variable as USA. Label 3 and label 4. View in browser again. Now it's morning time in the USA. Now we'll proceed to the Pakistani time. Again copy paste. We can change the variable name as Pak. Pakistan Standard Time. We can give here Pak, and we can call the variable name as TZ Pak, and this variable we will call here Pak and Pak. Again view in browser. So that's the Pakistani time. We'll set the labels 5 and 6. View in browser again. So guys, that's the current Pakistan date and time. Pakistani 1 hour is ahead from the UAE time. Now we'll set for the India. Copy paste the same code. Change to India. We can give here India Standard Time. India Standard Time. We can give here the variable name India, and we can give here India and change the variable name. This India we have used India India label 7 and 8. View in browser again. Now time zone India is not available, so we will do as Indian Standard Time. India. So you can see here the time of the India is 7:05. So different times according to their time zones. Time is extracted for the real servers. So this code is very simple. You have to just use this date and time. That's a variable. You can create any variable name. Date and time dot UTC coordinate universal time. So that is a universal time now. What will be the universal time now? So that will be extracted, and then we can pass the information by the variables to the label. So that's for today. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.